Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. All those good hearts, those who subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for your support. And those who are watching this video for the first time, please do subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notifications of all the videos which we post in our channel. So here, mainly we learn from everything around us. Along with entertainment videos, we also take up to help the aspirants, those who are preparing for GPSTR exams, CET and TET. We make videos based on those syllabus. And in the previous classes, we have handled few maths class. Please check out the description box to get the link of those videos. And also, we'll be solving few more question papers in the following classes. So please don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of all the videos. Okay, so as you know already, the syllabus for GPSTR exam, that is graduate primary school teacher post exams, the syllabus is out. Okay, so according to the syllabus, we will learn physics concepts along with chemistry, biology and maths also. So in today's class, let's see about measurements and units. So in that, even though there are a lot of things to be learned in this chapter, we will go according to the syllabus which is given so that we can cover up how much ever you can learn before the exams. Okay. So in measurements and units, it's given about fundamental SI units to be learned. So they have mentioned what are the SI units to be learned. So here, force can be written as mass and acceleration, mass into acceleration. F is equal to ma. So SI unit of mass is kg. For acceleration, meter per second square. So the SI unit of force is Newton. Abbreviation is capital letter N. There are a lot of conditions to write the SI units. So you can go through the upper primary textbooks to get the detailed notification of this. Okay, so whichever is related to this syllabus for this exams, we'll be recalling. So if you have any issues, please comment in the comment section so that if anything could be added, we can take up in the next class. So okay, so remember the SI unit of force is Newton. And next is pressure. Pressure is nothing but force divided by area, force applied on a particular area. So SI unit of force is kg, meter per second square, just now we have learned, divided by SI unit of area is meter square. So you can write this kg, meter per second square as Newton, and whereas divided by m square. So this can be written as Newton per meter square. And also you can call this SI unit of pressure is Pascal. It is written as small p a. Okay, remember SI unit of pressure is Pascal. It is from the name of a scientist. Even this Newton is also a name of a scientist. So this can be written as Newton per meter square. Newton per meter square. Next is about energy. The SI unit of energy is joule. Some pronounce as joule, no problem. It is joule. It is also another name of a scientist. Okay, abbreviation is J. For electric power, or simply you can call it as power also. The SI unit of power is watt, W-A-T-T, abbreviation is capital letter W. This is also under name of a scientist. So here there is a relation given between watt and joule. 1 watt is equal to 1 joule per second. How to read this? If it is given as -1 to the power, 1 watt is equal to 1 joule per second. Next is electricity. We know that the SI unit of charge is coulomb. It is written as C. The SI unit of electricity is ampere. And the comparison between this ampere and coulomb is written as 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulomb per second. Okay, here we are not going in detail. So just for the sake of examination point of view, remember these SI units. While solving the question paper, we'll go a little more in deep. Next is resistance. The SI unit of resistance is ohm. The symbol is like this, ohm. 1 ohm is equal to volt per ampere. So when we write the formula for resistance, R is equal to V by I, and hence we get resistances R is equal to V by I, and as that of for voltage it is V only, for current it is ampere. When you take this to the numerator, per ampere it becomes. So 1 ohm is equal to 1 volt per ampere. Next is potential difference. The SI unit of potential difference, PD, is potential difference is volt. Okay, capital letter V is the abbreviation for this. So you can rearrange this formula and write V is equal to I into R cross multiply. So you will get V is equal to IR. So how to get the SI unit of this potential difference? I stands for current. SI unit of current is ampere, as that of resistance is ohm, and then you can write volt is equal to ampere into ohm. Also you can write in another term. We can also write in terms of joule. 1 volt is equal to 1 joule per coulomb. Okay, whereas 1 volt is equal to 1 joule per coulomb. So this we also can express in the other formula. Voltage, potential difference V is equal to W by Q. Okay, whereas W is the work done, S unit of work is joule, Q stands for charge, S unit of charge is C, coulomb. Hence we get joule per coulomb. Okay. Next it's given about measurement of longer distance object like sun and planets. So we'll see about that longer distances. Before that, the SI unit of length is meter. It is written as M. Be careful with this spelling. M-E-T-R-E is for the length. M-E-T-E-R if you write, that is for potentiometer, lactometer, all those instruments it comes ER. For this length, M-E-T-R-E. Okay. So there are smaller units also and longer units also. Here they have given only to refer about longer units. So we'll move quickly into that. So first we go with astronomical unit, AU. This is the mean difference between sun and the earth. So how much is 1 astronomical unit? It is nothing but 1.496 into 10 to the power of 11 meter. Okay. Remember, 1 AU astronomical unit is equal to 1.496 into 10 to the power of 11 meter. Next we shall move to light year. What is light year? The distance travelled by light in vacuum for 1 year or in 1 year is called as 1 light year. How do you compare light year and meter, the length? 1 light year is equal to 9.46 into 10 to the power of 15 meter. So this you have to remember. In multiple choice questions there are chances they may ask. Then about parsec. Parsec is also another longer unit of length. 1 parsec is the distance from where the semi-major axis of orbit of Earth subtends at an angle of 1 second at the center of the Sun. So questions definition may not be asked, so they may ask for this value. 1 parsec is equal to 3.08 into 10 to the power of 16 meter. Remember this value. Clear? And when we compare this parsec with light year, 1 parsec is equal to 3.26 times the light year. Okay, so almost we have covered up which is given in the first chapter of physics. In the following classes, we will be solving question paper along with this maths class as well as physics class. So stay tuned to get the updates of all this GPSTR exam related classes, and also we will be handling TET classes also. Okay, thank you.